Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Anna EBS Home School. This is Fatematuj, Johora, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Classroom School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a class for the students of Class 8. Our today's topic is Chapter 3, Lesson 1-2. We have finished Chapter 2 and exercise part also. Now we will start Chapter 3. It is about the Holy Quran, Al-Quran, okay, the greatest book in this world. Okay, now today's lecture, you can say it is lecture number 12 and HW number 10. Okay, now come to today's lesson. It is chapter 3, lesson 1, the Quran Majid. Introduction, you can say that about that Quran is an Arabic word. It is derived from the root word Qar'un. Qar'un means to read or recite. It is means to read or recite. You can see it. Okay. So we recite several surahs and ayahs from this holy book in our 5 times prayer. That is why this book is named as Al-Quran. Without these things, you know, all over the world, all the Muslims peoples are performing prayer all the times. So they are reciting this Quran all the times. So these are that's why it is named like this, that Al-Quran. And Islamic terminology, you can say, to guide mankind, Allah the gracious has bestowed this book through Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam upon great Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the book is called Al-Quran. It is the last and greatest heavenly book. This book is the source of guideline for all human beings, all time. Okay, these are important for you. Without these things said, that we can say that there are 2 kinds of surahs in this Quran. You know, this Quran is divided into 30 chapters, and this there are 14 surahs in Holy Quran. So these surahs are divided into 2 groups. This one group is called Makki and another group is called Madani. Oh, the Holy Quran has several names. These names are given on the basis of the different criteria of Al-Quran. Okay, you can say this here. The Quran name is first one Al-Furqan, Al-Huda, Ar-Rahman, Al-Zikr, and An-Nur. These are the name of Holy Quran. Though the Quran has several names, without these things, we can say Furqan means the one who can distinguish, and Huda means guidance, Ar-Rahman means blessings, Al-Zikr means advice or discussion, An-Nur glow or light. You can say the entire Holy Quran divided, I said it before, the entire Holy Quran divided into 30 parts. Each part is called a para. Okay, there are total 140 surahs, I have said it before, and 86 are Makki surahs and 28 are Madani surahs. These are important for you. Okay, in Al-Quran there are total 7 manzils, 540 rukus, 14 ayahs of Sijda. This is important. The total number of ayat is 6,236, or some say 6,666 verses are here. This is okay. Importance and necessity of Al-Quran. You know that in this world, the importance and necessity of Al-Quran are vast, boundless, we can say. Without Quran, all this would not, all the world, all the peoples, it is not possible to lead our life according to Sharia. Without Quran, without the guidelines of Allah, okay, it is not possible. We are incomplete without Quran. So we can realize that the importance and the necessity of Al-Quran is boundless. It is boundless. Okay, Al-Quran is the main source of guidelines for mankind. It is important. It shows us the way through which people can attain well-being on the earth and in Akhirat also. So it makes sin, virtues, right, wrong, good, evil, all the distinguish these things known to us. It shows us the right way. You know, it shows us the right way. And whoever does not follow the instruction or restriction of Quran will be doomed to severely tormenting hell. Okay, so means this is called Jahannam. So these are the importance of Al-Quran is boundless, and there are some teachings of Holy Quran. Quran Majid is the source of Al-Quran knowledge of and sciences. It is the strong storehouse of all knowledge, you can say. What is the storehouse of all knowledge? Moreover, it dictates to the solution of all problems occurring in human life. So, about these things we can say ma fattarna fil kitabi min shay'in, mean in this holy book I have left nothing. It is said by Allah. Another it is mentioned in Surah Al-Anam. And another in another place Allah the Almighty says Zalikal kitabul la rayba fi, this is the holy book which is out of all doubted. Surah Baqarah verse number 2. So dear students, about this Holy Quran, about the knowledge of Holy Quran, it is said Hazrat Shah Waliullah Rahmatullah Alayhi, knowledge related to rule and regulation, knowledge related to rationalism, knowledge related to the benevolence, testimony of the there is knowledge related to the benevolence and testimony of Allah the Almighty. Al-Quran is the knowledge related to the creation of the universe by Allah, His announced reward and punishment. Number 5, it is knowledge related, it has studied knowledge related to death and the life hereafter. These are the Arabic one, the students, these are the Arabic one, and here are the meaning. Thus it can be easy for you, that's why I have said the meaning only. Of course this is important for all of you. Okay, you have to learn this. What kind of knowledge contained by Holy Quran? In fact, Al-Quran is the great documents for the redemption of mankind. Okay, you don't forget this. By learning the knowledge stored in the Quran, we will achieve the competency of Allah. So, these are the teaching of Holy Quran. Though it is vast, it is short in your book. Now come to next lesson. Please listen to Tajweed. Tajweed is one kind of rules and regulation in which way you can read Quran correctly, pronounce it correctly. This is called Tajweed. You know the grammar. So this is the Tajweed is the grammar of the Quran. How you can read Quran correctly, pronounce it correctly. So here Rasulullah said that now the person who learns the Holy Quran and teaches other too is the best. So it is the hadith, you know, خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. This is the hadith, you know it. Muhammad said you should recite the Holy Quran because it will advocate in favor of its readers on the day of Qiyamah. So this is another hadith. So here, therefore, it is understood that the recitation of the Holy Quran is a virtuous act followed by the use of it. We will recite the Holy Quran more and regularly encourage others to do so. So these are the Tajweed, okay, or reading the Holy Quran. The importance of the reading of Holy Quran. The importance of Tajweed. Here, about this Tajweed, the Almighty said, "Till Quran al-Tartila, recite the Holy Quran slowly and steadily." It is Surah Al-Muzammil, verse number 4. So we will recite the Holy Quran regularly according to the Tajweed. If it is difficult to recite, we will try our best to do so. We will not abandon reciting Quran under any circumstances, and we will learn the rules of Tajweed. As a result, we will be endeavored and we will be great respect and honor. So we have to recite Holy Quran with Tajweed perfectly. Okay, so these are the teaching of Tajweed, and here are the importance of reciting Holy Quran. Dear students, that's all for today. It is lesson 1 and lesson 2, and in HW it is HW number 10. Okay, and the HW is make 5 MCQ on chapter 3 lesson 1, 2. You can find out it by the underlying part from here. Okay, dear students, I have underlined important sentences. You can get the MCQ or make it from the underlined part, or you can make it yourself, but the important thing, we have to make the MCQ and write the answer of them. I hope that you have understood your lesson today, and do the HW carefully, submit the HW, okay, then abide by your parents. Thank you. Salam.